Wherever you have a step to go up, to go on. We're in the hallway and just going to show you what it looks like lit up at 100%, 550 lumens. As we walk towards the lights, they light up the area, as you can see. From the company Condros, we have here our staircase lights. They're 550 lumens with the 800 milliamp battery and 10 LEDs with the 3500 Kelvin. They collect the sun all day. We have one that is working and the IP67 plus rated. They're very easy to install. You can simply lay them down on your stairs, or you can self-adhesive them to the wooden stairs, or lock them down with the supplied screws and bracket. After 30 plus seconds, the lights will dim down to 30%, and when they detect motion as you walk by, they light up 100%. You're given screws and anchors, double-sided self-adhesive, and the bracket. It goes on two ways, one on each of the sides. To turn the unit on, you'll see a quick light flash. And in order to test the unit out, put your hand over the solar panel. The light is on the dim side on the table. As you walk towards the PIR sensor, it lights up. We're going to show you what they look like on the stairs. These are the brackets screwed down. Turn the light on. Test the unit out. Slide on to the bracket, and we'll come back in the evening hours, show you what they look like. Place them on the staircases, and we'll demonstrate indoor staircases what they look like. This is a low lit situation of the light. This is when they're lit up 100% brightness. And as they detect motion, the lights are lit up as you walk up the stair. Like the lights are lit up as you walk up the staircase. They will light up and get bright. They stay lit for 30 seconds and then dim down to 30%. These are the staircase lights lit up at night. A close look at the light. Place at the edge of the staircase. You have lights so you can light up your staircase wherever you go. These lights are for your lighting needs, staircase lights. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.